times of distress, confusion, and fear. And when my enemies surround me, Father, I know in you I am safe.
Melang Basotho. My name is Ntokozo Mbambo. I am a woman who is on fire for God. I grew up in Mlazi, eThekwini, and my parents birthed in me the love for music and for God. I was a member for Joy Celebration at the age of 15, and I have been out of Joy Celebration for over 4 years now, and I'm really excited to meet you all. Like I said earlier, that I joined Joy Celebration at the age of 15. I was just a choir member. I was found by Ntokozo Mbambo, who took me under his wing, and I literally became a daughter to him. And he mentored me and ngakhula in the music ministry, and most importantly spiritually as well. And I reached the point where I ended up being a vocal coach for Joy Celebration near the end, and I was also just a featuring artist. And time came for me to grow and leave, and that happened. And with the grace of God has really kept me, and I'm really excited about the next phase of my life. Well, there's a lot I've learned from Joy Celebration. I think I joined when, like I said, this is the third time I'm saying this. I joined when I was a kid. I was just a teenager. I knew nothing except just opening my mouth and singing. So I learned how to hold a microphone. I learned things that I should do on stage, things I shouldn't do on stage. And I even got to experience the business side of music, which I didn't know about. So Joy Celebration has really helped me a lot. What inspired me to go solo, I felt like I'd reached my fullest potential with Joy Celebration, and I think it was time for me to leave and to be my own being and grow and learn to stand on my own 2 feet. It's been a very overwhelming journey, but truly blessed. God has been with me every step of the way. I've learned a lot of things, and I believe that there's so much more to come. So far, I have 3 albums out. The first one is called Bambelela. I recorded it, I think, at the age of 13. And the second one is called Keep On Believing. And the third one is called Filled. And I've currently just recently recorded the 4th album. I recorded it in February here in South Africa. And it's called Spirit and Life. And I look forward to the beautiful people of Lesotho having it and telling me what they think. In the Shadow is a song that is written by Pastor Ntokozo Mbambo. It's a song that I sang in Joy Celebration. I'm not sure which one, but it talks about being safe in the shadow of God's wings. I think it's Psalms 91 that says, "He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty." And that's where the song came from, according to Mfundisi Namba. He said it was birthed from him reading Psalms 91. I've toured a lot of countries with Joyous. Some I can't even remember. But I think when I was there was Botswana, there was the UK, there was obviously South Africa, Yeah, and I think Swaziland, every country has its own people and every country has its own beauty, and I can't really pinpoint and say this was my favorite country, especially when it comes to Africa. Because to me, every single country in Africa is home, and so I can't really say which one was my favorite, and because I truly believe that everywhere that I've had the privilege of going, the people have just been so warm and so welcoming, and just really beautiful. I'm really excited about coming to Lesotho. It's actually going to be my first time in Lesotho, so I'm really excited. I can't wait to meet everyone. I think what stands out is the fact that I'm on Facebook. I have a fan page on Facebook, so I get a lot of requests and about when am I coming to Lesotho and so forth, and how the ministry has really reached out to them. So I'm really excited that this time I'm going to get the opportunity to finally meet Lesotho. So I'm really excited and really blessed. There's a lot that they can expect. I will be coming with my band, my incredible band, and my great singers, and we shall be having a Holy Ghost party. So we are truly excited, and we're making sure that we're preparing an awesome show for them. We will just be having fun, man, in God's presence. And I can definitely say that we will also be singing some new songs, some songs that they probably haven't even heard before from the brand new album that's still to be released called Spirit and Life. So I'm really excited about coming to Lesotho.
He's been so good.
Hi, my name is Ntokozo Mbambo, and you're watching Lesotho Television. Be blessed.
He's been so good. We serve a mighty God. He never leaves us, neither does he forsake us.